Oh my god. What is going on, everybody? So today I'm literally just going to be doing a bunch of pulls and just hard driving because I feel like it's necessary. I think it's time to do it again. I've been getting frequent questions about what my exhaust setup is, and I just kind of want to show you guys how loud it is and how good it sounds. This is actually a good video for preference if you want to do this exhaust setup. So right now I have a 4-inch catless downpipe resonator delete paired with a muffler delete. So as you can imagine, it's pretty loud. I have the car warm up because right now it's freaking freezing. That's at least what the temp gauge makes it seem like. So I think what I need to do is I need to hit the back roads first, because as you can see, it's getting kind of dark. So I think it's better that we do that now instead of later, so you guys can actually see where the hell I'm going. As many of you guys know, I flashed back to stock, and that's not because, you know, that's not just because I really wanted to. It's just because my car wasn't liking the Stage 2 tune from MHD for whatever reason. Still can't pinpoint it. Also, guys, if you haven't subscribed already, please do. I'd really appreciate it. I found out on analytics that 95% of you guys aren't subscribed. So that's insane. I really hope we can change that number at least a little bit. Try to go up as quiet as possible. Not terrible. Oh geez. I mean, I feel like the suspension rattles louder than the damn exhaust. Oh man. This is honestly so loud. Oh my god. Jeez. All right. It wasn't me. All right, I'm going. All right, everyone, that's gonna do it for this video. I really hope each and every single one of you guys enjoyed. As always, drop me a like if you enjoyed. Helps me out a lot, like I said. And if you want to see more of these kinds of videos, let me know, because I will be more than happy to do them. Thank you guys for watching as always, and we'll see you in the next one.